Tajik Folk Tale. The Tale of the Fox and the Tiger. Once upon a time, there lived a fox. The fox was cunning and dexterous. One day, he was going to catch some bird and eat it. He was walking along the road when suddenly a tiger appeared right in front of him. The poor fox got scared, trembled with fear, and started running. He ran and ran, and suddenly a deep ravine appeared before him. It was impossible to cross it. Not knowing what to do, he climbed onto a big rock and began to cry. The tiger, surprised, asked,
"Hey, Fox, what happened to you? Why are you crying?"
I saw you and immediately remembered your father. May he rest in peace. He was so brave, agile, and strong. He would leap over ravines, bound across mountains, and cross rivers. Alas, I never got to witness the feats of such a hero. That's why I'm crying out of sadness." Hearing this, the tiger became proud, lifted his head, and, wanting to show the fox his strength and agility, jumped into the ravine and fell all the way to the bottom. The fox looked down, smirked, and said, "I knew you weren't like your father. Not every son turns out like his father."